If you hear a sound on your brakes, you can always bring it down and get it checked out with us. The traditional brake check would be every 5,000 miles, every time that you have an oil change, just to monitor the life of them and see how it's going. Typically, your vehicle will need brakes anywhere in between 50,000 to 100,000 miles, just depending on how much wear you're putting on your vehicle. So if your brakes are making any noise or if you have any concerns due to your brakes, you can always bring it down to have us check it out at European Service Center Houston.